All right. Okay. Welcome back to worksheet 21. The worksheet is waiting for you all. Okay. All right. Very good afternoon to you. Those who have joined me, thank you for your time. Those who have done your assignment, well, many of them has done well for those who has. However, I still see people with no assignment submitted, so that's why I cannot see. Unless you did it in the afternoon, which I have not have time to go and see it. Up to morning, there are still people that has not submitted. So what I do is I encourage everyone to do submission so that I actually can see what is working in your assignment. So I know what to go through. All right. So same thing, same rule. We want you to turn on your video. Okay. Okay, let me admit this student. Is everything okay? Davrivan, right? Davrivan. I'm not too sure if I pronounce it correctly. Davrian. Okay. There is a chat function. Same. If you want to ask question, please, you may use the chat function to ask here. Okay. Is everything okay? All right. Oh, you finally got your right equipment, right, Davrian? Everything okay? All right, just to ensure that all okay. Aisha is here. Aisha. Okay. Hi, Aisha. Hello, good afternoon. Hi. Okay. Anyone else? Okay. All right. Same thing. For those who are with me before, please bear with me as I need to brief them on this. Chat function available, so do everything there. Chat's there. Anything urgent, please raise your hand. All right. If you need to go to the toilet, yeah, please do so. You don't have to get permission. Okay. And then be mindful. If you want to go for toilet, just come back quickly. Then last thing is do not annotate on the screen. All right, because other students are also reading the slides. Okay. Now we have learning objective for whole numbers today, building what we have taught. All right. So this question, just to check, you must be having the same worksheet as mine, worksheet 21. Don't go and download the wrong one. Okay. So the population of New Zealand recorded in July 2023, and it was to the nearest 100,000. Nearest 100,000. Now, listen, when you come to this type of question, first thing first, write down 100,000. What they want is 100,000. Okay, and this is the answer given to you. But what they are asking for is a whole number, a possible number before rounding off. So before rounding off, last time they give you a number, so 54,526. Okay, for example, round off to nearest 10. So 54,250. Now, he give you this answer and he want you to work back to find the actual answer. All right. So this is one thing very, very, very useful for you to use. Okay, learn this method. You apply to whether it's P4, P5, or P6. Okay. All right, rounding off, first of all, you write 100,000. Okay, so I want to write a middle. What is in the middle of 100,000? You divide by 2 because it's a midpoint. So 50,000. Okay, 50,000. So you know that you have to do this. Let's do a number line to show the understanding. Okay, this number line looks like that. Okay, make sure it's straight. So here is the answer for 5,400,000, and he wants 100,000. So what I need you to do is, what is 100,000 away from here? So you plus 100,000. Okay. So with 100,000, it will be 5 500,000. Okay, here. Then from here, it will be minus 100,000. So when you minus 100,000, you will get 5,300,000. Okay, you just put all the three numbers there first. Subsequently, I want you to put this here, the midpoint, 50,000. Okay, where is the 50,000? So 50,000 should be here. So I'm going to add 50,000. 5, 4, then 50,000. Now here you must minus the 50,000. Okay, 50,000. So this will lie between all the black numbers, right? Because the red numbers is in the midpoint. Okay, now for this number to be the smallest, right? You want the smallest. So definitely the smallest, it can be somewhere from here, because this is the nearest one to 5.4 million. That means 5,400,000. All right. Anything number after this, you have to round this off to 5,400,000. Any number before this, it will round off to 5,300,000. So the number that they ask for, the smallest possible whole number, cannot be lesser than anything here. So you just have to just leave it like that lah. Okay, 5,350,000. Okay, just write down first. Okay, if the question, give you another color. If the question say, what is the largest possible? Then for the largest possible, this is something extra, okay? Just to teach, in case exam comes out, you want you the extra point where, you know, why some of them can score full mark, why I didn't score full mark, because you are lack in something. The trick that people learn and then you didn't learn. So I want you to learn this trick now. For the largest possible number. Now, this one, it will be smallest number for this, right? So this is for rounding off. So in order to get the number that is one less than 5,400,000, just minus one from here. So what is 545? You use, if really, really very difficult, so you use 545,000 to minus 1. Then you get 544,9. Yeah, it's a 544,999. Because anything from here, you will round off to 5,400,000. So this is the largest possible value. Okay, whereas the red one that we have, we call them the smallest possible value. Okay, so in short, what can you do next time? You do this. Okay, so this is the summary of what we are going to do. So summary, first thing first, write down the 100,000. Don't care. Even if it's 10, also write 10. 100, also write 100. Okay, then second thing, you must divide by 2. Okay, you divide it by 2. So 100,000 divided by 2, you will get 50,000. Okay, if let's say he wants the smallest possible, very simple, then you use whatever minus, because smallest minus. You minus 50,000 from here. Okay, that's where you get your 350,000. So this is meant for the possible. Now, if let's say they want the greatest, largest possible, greatest, okay, then do this. Greatest means you must plus right now. So 5,400,000 plus 50,000. But 50,000 is too big already. We must find one number lesser. So you minus 1 from there. And that's where you get your 544,999. 999 for this answer. So this one is a very important concept. Okay, you highlight color, sure tested one. This kind of question in the popular exam paper, they sure test on this. Okay, dot this down, dot down on your journal, on your learning exercise book, whatever you have, so that next time you can refer to this. So this one really works for everyone, work for every number, whether it's nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1,000, 10,000 or whatever. Okay, next question. Anyone still writing? Okay, yeah. But do you understand or not? Don't copy just for the sake of copying. Who cannot understand? David, can I call you in short? David, how do I pronounce your name? You unmute.
In short, you can call Dave.
Dave. Oh, all right. In short, I call Dave. Dave, are you okay with this method? Can you understand? Do you find this interesting? Right. It is a rule that you stick on it. The largest number, very simple. Whatever they ask for, divide by 2 minus 1. Okay, largest number. Smallest number, whatever their value is, divide by 2 minus the number. Okay, is it confusing? Who find that this method works for you and you would like to adopt this method? Wow, this is a bulletproof method. Sure can pass one. Sure can get correct. Okay, so who like this? Maybe I ask, who likes this method? Method of doing largest and smallest possible before rounding. Okay, this is called before rounding. Okay, help me to get feedback from you so I know, is it a popular one so I can adopt this for every student next time? Yeah, thank you. I really like it, Thank you. But have you been taught before or not? That's the thing. Have you learned this before, this trick before? Okay. Okay, Jaden say Jaden, today you at home, not in library, Okay, so you can unmute yourself to speak, Okay. All right, who still need this page? Anyone? Okay, oh, you only 4 of them, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 of them like. Oh, what happened to my rest of them? Don't like, don't like means what? 2 of them didn't respond. Why don't like, Okay. But who has learned this before? Okay, Dave also like, thank you. Have you learned this in school before? Or forgot? Use it, yes. Very good. Okay, all right, so let's turn to the next slide now. Oh, look at here. 1982 times 20 times 9 is actually, look at it, look. Can I know that when you look at it, what is the common thing that you see? You see something called 1982. I highlighted this. 1982. I highlighted this. 1982. Okay, so this is so-called a fixed number there, right? Okay, so if you do order of operation, you could have just simply go and multiply everything. It's not wrong, but the thing is you could have done it better here like this. Okay, let's try. How can this be done? Okay, now you see you have 1982 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 9, 1982 times 20 plus 1982 multiplied by something. I use a yellow color again, highlight to show the understanding. This is equal to this plus this. All right, so look at here. I'm going to do order of operation, meaning to say I'm going to solve for this because this is the odd one out there. 1982. Can I show that this is 180? 1982, 20, one